Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to create an organizational chart directly in Microsoft Word. So what exactly is an organizational chart? An organizational chart is simply a way to be able to see the hierarchy in a certain organization. So for example, we'll have the CEO, we'll have the manager, and under each manager we have employees. So this is what we're gonna do today with our Microsoft Word project. So to be able to create an organizational chart, you will need to use these smart art features inside of Word by clicking on the insert button right here. Once it's done, you want to go on smart arts and click on it. Here you will have access to pretty much all the different tables that you can create. In our case here, we want to create a hierarchy. So we're going to go on hierarchy and we're going to select this one right there, which is an organizational chart. Now, to be able to move inside of this organizational chart, we are going to use, three buttons on your keyboard. So you will use the Enter button, the Tab button, and the Backspace button. So, in my case here, I'm going to start with this one right there. Well, there we go. I'm going to start with this one right there. So this is the person number one. So the person number one is the CEO. Now, I'm just going to delete all the other ones. Now, if I want to add a person under the CEO, how exactly I'm going to proceed? I'm just going to go, as you can see here, you can click on the Enter button. And then, it's going to be on the same level. If I want it to be under the CEO, I'm going to click on the Tab button. So now I clicked on the Tab button on my keyboard, and it moved the person under it. So now I'm able to write down, let's say, Manager. So Manager 1 in this case. Now, if I want to add another person under the CEO, how exactly can I do this? I can go on CEO, click on Enter, and have that person directly under it, or simply click on Enter right next to the manager, and I'm going to have a person directly under the CEO. So this will be Manager 2. Now, let's say I want to add people under Manager 1. How I'm going to proceed? So it's going to be the same way. You will click on Enter. You're going to go click on Manager 1. Click on Enter at first, and then you simply click on the Tab button. And here you can say person 1. And we're gonna do the same thing and write down person 2. Now if I want to do the same thing with manager number 2, I can just click on the Enter button and then Tab, and here the same thing, person 3, and once again person 4. So this is how you create an organizational chart directly on Microsoft Excel. You can add people under person 1 as well. So for example, here I want to add someone under him. So I can just click on Enter and then on Tab. And here I can write someone. Here you go. There you go. So we have someone under person 1, you see? So this is how you can create an organizational chart directly on Microsoft Word. So as you can see, it's not that complicated to do. If you have something to remember from this video, you have to use 3 buttons. So first of all, you use the Backspace button to move on one side, the Tab button to move to the right side, so Backspace to the left side, Tab button to the right side, and Enter button to simply add new people inside of your organizational chart on Microsoft Word. So once again, if you have found value in this video and if you like it, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.